Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to reveal to you how you can set a folder on Microsoft OneDrive to view only, for example, if you would like to restrict access to the shared folder and not allow users who have given access to or who are given access to the folder to make edits or changes to the folder. So that's how it works. Let us show you in this tutorial. So what you want to do is navigate to OneDrive, navigate to My Files here. Not photos, but files here at the top, of course. And after that, go to your library and click into these three dots next to the given folder. And here, guys, what you want to do is select Share. And here, to the right, you will see that pencil button, which indicates that the given folder gives access to it, to your invitees or people you have given access to allow them or to permit them to make edits. So if you'd like to change that, click into this button, select Can View, and after that anyone with the link, provided of course you share that link here by clicking into this button, anyone with access to the folder will have the opportunity to view these files and to view the folder, but to not make any edits or changes. And that's basically it. Don't forget to send the invitation if you'd like to invite someone, or if you have already done it, guys, simply close that window and that should change the accessibility to the folder. And that's it. Thanks for watching and have a fantastic day.